frosted air. Snowflakes tangle in golden hair. The scent of spice and fir trees climb through Innsbruck streets, a frozen rhyme. Oh, cobblestones hum with olden cheer. The past feels close, it lingers near. Whispers of winter they call, they sing. Candles flicker like angel wings under the stars where the market glows. Innsbruck dreams in the snow. Wooden stalls where there's silver frost. Trinkets speak of the time we've lost. A carol drifts from a child's small hand. It melts the cold, it warms the land. The mountain shadow guards the square. A magic hushes everywhere. Whispers of winter they call, they sing. Candles flicker like angel wings under the stars where the market glows. Lanterns sway in the frosted air. Snowflakes tangle in golden hair. The scent of spice and fir trees climb through Innsbruck streets, a frozen rhyme. Oh, cobblestones hum with olden cheer. The past feels close, it lingers near. Whispers of winter they call, they sing. Candles flicker like angel wings under the stars where the market glows. Innsbruck dreams in the snow. Wooden stalls where there's silver frost. Trinkets speak of the time we've lost. A carol drifts from a child's small hand. It melts the cold, it warms the land. The mountain shadow guards the square. A magic hushes everywhere.
You're amazing!
Whispers of winter they call, they sing. Candles flicker like angel wings under the stars where the market glows. Innsbruck dreams in the snow.
Neredesin?